ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿಗಳೇ. ಇಂದು ನಾವು ಈ ವಿಡಿಯೋದಲ್ಲಿ ಸ್ಪೀಡ್ ಮ್ಯಾಥಮೆಟಿಕ್ಸ್ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಡಿಸ್ಕಸ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ. ಹೀಗೆ ನಾವು ಎಕ್ಸಾಮಲ್ಲಿ ಸ್ಪೀಡಲ್ಲಿ ಹೇಗೆ ನಾವು ಕೆಲವೊಂದು ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನು ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು. Suppose let us find the square of 85 square. 85 square. So how you find the 85 square? Okay, so the 85 square, so the trick is that how you can find is that, so 8. Okay, so for such number, suppose here the maximum you will get 4 digits, right? 2 3 4. So here 5 square means what? 25. 5 square means 25 will get. And after this 8, what is the next number? 8 next is 9. Okay, so 9 into 8, how much? 72. 9 into 8 is 72. So here 72 will come. So just you can use a calculator and you can just check it out. So 85 square means it's a 9225. 9225. Okay, so with one more, we'll discuss one more. Suppose 75 square. 75 square. So as I already told, first what to do? The 5 square you have to take. First is 5 square. So 5 square means how much? 25, right? Then 7, what is the next number? 8. So 8 into 7, how much? 56. 56. So you will get 5625. The 75 square is, so that you can you can just use the calculator also. Suppose to, yeah, you can use the calculator. 75 square, what is the 75 square? 75 into 70, sorry, 75 square, 5625. So whatever our answer is correct, 5625, right? So this is the way how we can calculate. So yeah, so the next question, calculate for the 65 square. 65 square. So again, 5 square means 25. Then 6, next number is 7. So 6 7 is 42. So right, 4225. Then 55 square, how we can calculate 55 square? 5, last 5 indicates the square, 25. Then for 5, the next number is 6. 6 into 5, how much? 30, right? So 3025. So 3025 is the square of the number. So similar to that, yeah, one more number. So I'll take 45. So these are the tricks that you should know for solving the problem. So again, for 5 square means what? 25. Then 4 number, next number is what? 5. 4 5 is 20. So this is the square. 45 square means what? 2025. 2025. Then I will take one more number. 90, 95 square. Okay, 95. Yeah, fast. Just calculate. You can in your mind only you can calculate. So it's a 25. Then 9 tens are 90. So 9025. 9025 is the square of a given number. So 9025. So let us go for 105 square. 105 square. So here also. So here what happens? 5 square means 25, but here 5 digit will come. As you can say 100 into 100 means, okay, so 5 digit will come. So 5 square means 25, then 10 into 11 means 110. 110. So this is the way how we can calculate the square of a given number. Okay, so then yeah, for next one more 115, 100, suppose 115 square, right? So here again 25 last two digits, right? 5 square means 25, then 11 into 12. So here you'll stuck here to calculate 11 into the 11, the next number is 12. So 11 into 12, right? So 11 into 12. So here you'll get how much? 132. 132. So this is the how we can calculate the square of a number. Square of a number. Okay, so here this is the way, like 11 into 12, how we can calculate 11 into 12, right? So one technique is there to calculate. So for example here suppose here 5 into 6, 5 and the next number is 6. Okay, so 5 into 6 means how much? 30, right? So 5 into 5 plus 1 means what? Again 5 into 6, right? So this how we can write 25 plus 5, right? There is no difference. So here n into n plus 1, n into n plus 1 is equal to how much? N into n means n square plus n. N into n plus 1 means n square plus n. N into n plus 1 is equal to n square plus n, right? So like for example, just now we discussed 11. Okay, 11 into 12. 11 into 12 means it is look like what? N square plus n, right? So yes or no? N into n plus 1 means n square plus n. So here what happens? 11 square plus 11. So 11 square means what? 121. 121 plus 11 how much? 132. So this 132 we are used here, right? And this 5 square will be here. So this is the how we can calculate, right? N into n plus 1 is equal to n square plus n. N into n plus 1 means n square. Okay. So similar to that, we will discuss one more problem. Like for example, 155 square, right? Just calculate, right? 155 square, right? So this is last two digits means 25 you will get, right? Now for 15, what is the next number? 16, right? 16. So 15 into 16, 15 into 16, how much you will get? N into n plus 1. It is similar to n into n plus 1. So that is equivalent to what? N square plus n. So in our case, it is 15 into 16, right? So 15 square plus 15, how much? 15 square you know. So 225 plus 15. 225 plus 15, how much? So 15, right? So this is equivalent to 240. 240. So 155 square means how much? 24025. Simple. Okay, here actually I have written some formula, that's why it is taking some time. But if you won't write these formulas and all, so within very short time you can solve these problems. Okay, so this is the case. 5 means what? Here, whatever the 25, right? Then this 240, how we got? This is through this technique, 15 into the next number 16, right? So you can just check it out. 155 square, right? 24025. Okay, so okay, let us discuss one more. So just what you do, you can just solve it. I'll write one number. So 255 square, 255 square. So don't worry about the last. First two digits you take. 25 means next number is 26. So 25 into 26, right? So here how much you will get? 25 square plus 25, right? 25 square plus 25. I think you know 625 plus 25. So that is how much? 650. 650 is the that. So what is the result of this? 650 then 25. Yes. So this is the correct answer for this particular problem. Okay. 255 means 65025. So in this way we have to solve the so these are the very simple tricks, very simple tricks to solve the problems. Very simple tricks to solve the problems. Square. Okay, let us take one more problem. So now I will take the 355 square. So 350. So it takes you can it saves you time. 350 square. So 35. The next number is what? 36. Okay. So here 35 square, I am directly writing 35 square plus 35. Okay, so now you tell me how we can find 35, right? So you already know in the initially I have mentioned for this. Okay, 35 square is there, 5 means 25, right? Then 3 next number is what? 4. 3 next number is 4, right? So 3 into 4 how much? 12. So this is the 35 square plus 35. So now what is the result? It's a 1 2, it's a 30 60, 1260, right? 1260. So yeah, this is the for this 35 for about this. So now you have to add this also, no? 25, 126020. So what is the square? 355 square, right? So 355 square, 126025, 126025. Yes. So this is very the simple tricks, very simple tricks to calculate the square of a given numbers, right? So let us go for one more number, that is 455 square. 455 square, right? Calculate the 455 square. Again, what to do? 45. 45 means what is the next number? 45 next number is 46, right? So 45 square, 45 square plus 45, right? Now we know how to calculate for this particular number. So here last two digits 25 and 4 5s are 20. You have to take the next number for this. 4 next number is 5. So here 20 you will get 20 25 plus 45, right? So now what is the result total? 45 50 50 70. So 2070, 2070, 2070. Now 2070 and 25. So that is the final answer for this number, right? So this yeah, you can just check it out in what is the number? 455, right? Yeah, 207025, 207025, right? Okay, so take one more. You just solve it. We'll take 555 square. 555 square, right? Again I'm taking very simple. So 55, the next number is 56. Here we are using this particular formula, n into n plus 1 means n square plus n square plus n, right? So 55 means here as per the strategy means you have to take the 56, right? 55 55 yeah, 55 into 55 plus 1 means here actually we are multiplying, right? 55 as per our method, 55 into 56. So as per our formula we are getting this 55 into 55 plus 1, so it is equivalent to 55 square plus 55 square plus 55, right? And how you calculate 55 square? So here again the same trick. This 5 indicates 25, 5 the next number is 6, right? 5 6 the 30, 3025 plus 55. Okay, this as it is. So here 55 60 70, 3070, 3070 and add last 5, this 5. Okay, so 307020. You can just check it out. 308025. Okay, it is here we are getting, okay, 55 60 80 80 will come, right? Here we can only get 80. Okay. here we get 80. 30, how much? 3080, right? 308025. So this is the okay, 555 square. So these are the tricks. So these are the tricks to solve the numbers. You can find the number with the last digit 5. If it is 5, then you can use this trick, right? So next is square number that is greater than 100. Suppose how, so whatever we discussed, if suppose if the number, the last number is 5, right, then we can use that trick. Suppose the square number greater than 100, if the square, how you calculate square of a number greater than 100, right? Greater than 100. Number is greater than 100. Okay. So for this we will discuss. Let us take one example, that is 108 square. So take this number. So this number, it is greater than and near to 100, right? So this particular 108, it is greater than or near. Okay. So it is a greater than or nearer. Near to what? Near to 100, right? Near to 100. So what you do? So 108, then you subtract the 100, subtract the 100. So we get the difference. How much? 8, right? The difference will get 8. Now here what to do? Add this different. This difference is there, no? So like 108, and what is the difference? Difference is 8, right? So 116 will get, right? 116. So 116, and whatever the difference. Okay. So this difference, what is the square root? Square of that number, that is 64. That is 64. So this is the final answer for. So first what to do? If suppose you have to find whether the number is near to 100, greater than 100 or near to 100, yes, then subtract that number with 100, you will get a difference. So this is the difference, right? This is the difference. We'll get a difference. Okay. So difference 8. So here, so this difference you have to add to that number. 108 plus 8, how much? 116. And 8 square is 64. 8 square is 64. So 11664. Alright. Next, we'll take with the same such type of example. Okay. Now calculate for 107 square. 107 square. So 107 square, as I already told. So 107, the difference how much? The difference is 7, right? Now what to do? You have to add that difference. 107, add the 7, so how much you will get? It's 114, right? 114. And the square of this number, what is the square of that number? 49. 49. So 49 is the number. So whatever this number is, 5 digits. So that is the square of 107 square. 107 square. So just you can check it out. 107 square. 11449. 11449. What is the tricks? We have to take a difference from the 100. You have to take the difference from the 100, that is 7 we will get. So you have to add that 7 to this particular number 107, original number 107 plus 7, 114, 114 plus 114 here, and the 7 difference is there, no, the 7 square, the difference. Okay, that is 49. Okay, so similar to that, take one more example. 109. Calculate for 109. So in your mind only you can calculate. So how you can calculate? What is the difference? Difference is 9. So 109 plus 9, how much? 118. Okay, so 118 81. 118 81. 109 square. 118 81. Right? Very simple techniques. So the difference is how much? Difference from this difference from the, you have to take from 100. 109 minus 100, right? So you'll get the difference 9, right? 9. And what to do? Next step is you have to add that difference value. 109 to 9. So how much you will get? 118. 118 you will get. Okay, 109 118, and the square of this number, that is 81, right? 118 81. So this is the how we can calculate the square of a number. Suppose if it is greater than 100 and near to 100, if that condition satisfies, then you can use this strategy to find the square of a number. You can find. So yeah, with practice, for practice I will take one more. 106 square. Do it. 106 square. So in the mind calculation only you can do it. So 106. So difference is 6. So that is, the number is 112, right? 112. 112, and the 6 square is 36. So this is the square of a given number, right? Then 103 square. 103 square. So again for this part. So here 103 square, the difference is what? 3, right? So 106. 3 is the difference, so we are adding that to 103. So 106, and 3 square means what? 9. 3 square means 9. So 10609. So that is the square of a number. Square of a number. So in this way we have to solve. We need to solve, right? Okay, let us discuss one more concept. So triple one square. So triple one square. Here what happens? Triple one square means how many digits it takes, like, so it takes how many digits? It takes 5 digits, right? So here what is the difference? Again 11 will come, right? So but here what to do? Here you have to note some important points in this case. Okay, so this is a 111, so take the difference 100, so how much will get? 11, right? 11 will get. So next, as per our strategy, what to do? You have to add that 111. So this difference, how much difference? 11, right? Right. So okay, so here as usual I will write here. Next, the square of this number. So 11 square is how much? The 11 square is how much? 121. So here we will get 121. So in this case, what to do? In this case, the 21 you have to write here and the carry. Okay, the carry here you will get. So maximum, what is the size? Like for example, here 311, no. So you know 100 square. 100 square means how much you will get? How many digits? 5 digits you will get answer. Right. So here that 121, that carry will go up. So now we perform the addition, like 21 will come, here 3 will come, 2 and 1, 1 2 3 2 1. So that is palindrome 1 2 3 2 1. In this way we have to find the square of a number. Find the square of a number. Okay, let us take one more example. 1 1 2 square, 112 square, right? So again take the difference. So 112 means how much? The difference is 12, right? 112, the difference means you have to subtract, as per our method we have to subtract from the 100, right? So 12 is the difference we will get. 12 is the difference. Then so 12 is the difference means what is the value? Difference value is 12. So this is called as the difference value. So 144 will come, right? 144 the square. So here you have to take one carry. Okay, so now perform the addition. 4 4, here 5 will come, then 2, then 1 1 2 5 4 4. So this is the square of 112 square, right? So yeah, let us take one more example. 114 114 I will take 114 square, right? So again the same strategy. How much is the difference? Is there difference is 14, right? So 114, the difference is 14, right? That we have to add, and 14 square means 96, right? 196 carry will come here. So 96921 So that is the square of this number. So these are the shortcuts. So what is this? It is a difference, right? Difference from the 100. Difference from 100 value we are taken. Okay, so one more example, last one more example. 122 square, right? So in this case 122, what is the difference here? 22 will come, right? So 122 you have to add, right? You have to add the difference. Difference is 22. So 22 means 484 square. So 4, here you will take, then 4 will come carry, right? So 84, then here again 8 will come, then 4, then 1, 1 4 8 8 4, 1 4 8 8 4. So that is a 122 square, 122 square, 122 square. So in this way you have to calculate the square of a number, right?